Hey guys, it's Andy, and today I'm going to show you how to activate a license key. If you're using any of Leica's software products, you're going to need to activate the license key, whether it's a permanent or annual subscription or even a trial license. The license key is going to be a string of 25 numbers and letters. You may have received your code in an email, or you may have gotten a PDF with your code that looks like this. If you don't activate your license and you try to open up some software, you're going to get an error. In Register 360, it's going to look like this. To activate your license, you're first going to have to go down to your Windows Start menu and type in CLM and find CLM for floating licenses. This is the license manager for all of Leica's products. This should be automatically installed with any Leica software. If it wasn't, no worries. You can install it separately. I'll put the download link for it in the description below. Now we're going to go to Activate New Licenses, and then we're going to go and find our license key. So I'm going to copy this, paste it over here. Now I'm going to click Check for Activatable Licenses. All right, when that finishes up, you can click Activate New License. All right, so now it looks like it's active. Just to make sure, I'm going to open up Register 360. All right, everything's working, so now I can go ahead and get to work. If you would like to move your license to a different computer, you can do so with either a permanent or an annual subscription license, and you can only do so 4 times per year without the help of Leica's support team. To do this, go back into your CLM for floating licenses and click on View Installed Licenses. So you can see I have 2 licenses active right now. I can expand them to see exactly what they are. And if I check it, you'll see I have the option to return license at the bottom here. And if I click that, it's going to return this license to the cloud, and then you can repeat this whole process and activate this license on another computer. All right, now you should be up and running with your new software. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.